Hey guys, I'm Henry. Henry learns the names of animals. I see a lot of animals, but I don't know their names. I am a wolf. I am a dog. I am a parrot. And I am a unicorn. Unicorns don't exist. And when Henry woke up. Bye bye guys.